How does a seemingly simple box create such a cool and comfortable environment in our homes and offices during the hottest months of the year? The answer lies in the complex and meticulous process of air conditioner manufacturing. Starting with a spark of creativity, the process of air conditioner manufacturing begins in the minds of engineers and designers. They draw up the blueprints for the air conditioner, taking into account factors like size, capacity, and features. This is the design and planning phase, the birthplace of the air conditioner. Next, we move to component procurement. Here, manufacturers gather the necessary parts like compressors, heat exchangers, fans, coils, and electronic components. These parts are sourced from various suppliers, ensuring that only the best components make it into the assembly process. The assembly line is where the magic happens. Like a well-orchestrated symphony, each part finds its place in the air conditioner's main unit. Control panels are assembled, wires are connected, and bit by bit, the air conditioner comes to life. One of the most critical stages is refrigerant charging. This is where the coolant, the lifeblood of the air conditioner, is carefully injected into the system under controlled conditions. Quality control is an unyielding gatekeeper, ensuring that each unit meets the specified standards and functions correctly. Various tests are conducted, such as leak testing, electrical testing, and performance testing. Only the units that pass these rigorous checks move on to the next stage. Once quality assurance gives the green light, the air conditioner is ready for packaging. User manuals, warranty information, and other necessary documentation are added, preparing the unit for its journey to the customer. Distribution follows, with the finished air conditioner units making their way to retailers, wholesalers, or even directly to customers. The method of distribution depends on the manufacturer's strategy. But the journey doesn't end at the point of sale. Installation and servicing are crucial parts of the process. Technicians install the units in homes or businesses, and manufacturers provide servicing and maintenance guidelines to ensure the units continue to function efficiently. Environmental compliance is also a key part of the process. Manufacturers must adhere to guidelines regarding the safe handling of refrigerants and the energy efficiency of their products. Finally, the process circles back to the beginning with research and development. Manufacturers constantly strive to improve the efficiency, performance, and features of their air conditioners. They develop new technologies and test them for market suitability. The manufacturing process of an air conditioner is a fascinating journey from concept to cooling. It's a testament to human ingenuity, where design, engineering, quality control, and environmental responsibility all come together to create a product that makes our lives more comfortable. Remember, the specifics of this process can vary depending on the type of air conditioner, the company's quality control standards, and local regulations. Companies may also have their own unique processes and proprietary technologies. So the next time you enjoy the cool breeze from an air conditioner, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process that brought it to life. It's truly a marvel of modern manufacturing.